So yesterday, we start on a problem of the slender rod L and have a mass M is released from rest when theta is equal to 0. Determine as a function of theta the normal and the frictional forces which are exerted by the edge of the rod at A as it falls downwards. At what angle theta does the rod begin to slip if the coefficient of static friction at A is mu? Okay, so we started. We know that our final answer theta has a function of mu. We do summation of forces, as you can see in equation number 1. We don't know why it's alpha. Then, and we also don't know why it's Na. Then we do summation about forces in the normal direction. Then we don't know what is our FF and alpha. Then explain physically what is going on. Okay, so initially you start to rotate and the thing will start to lose contact over here with the edge at point A. We form the moment equation. Okay, so we started forming the moment now. The first one that we did over here, we formed the moment at the center of gravity at point G. And then we found what is our alpha. Okay, we have determined what's our alpha. So if we were to go to our previous page, over here, now we know alpha. Okay, we already know alpha in equation number 1. So again, now what will happen? Now, rather than taking from point G, now I would like to take the moment from point A. If this is done correctly, the answer where the moment would be taken at point A and point G will be and has to be the what? The same. Okay. I have a student earlier coming to see me, telling me, Eugene, why you take it from here and not there? Okay, but the answer will be the same. Before I go on any further, how many of you are taking 7 courses? How many of you are taking 7 courses? Put up your hand, please. None? Don't take 7 courses in a term. Are we clear? Take 4. It's okay. Okay, take 5. It's fine. Take 7. You know what will happen? You come to my office, I'll bring a rope. I'll hang you with the rope. If you take 8 courses, you know what will I do? I'll buy you a gun and I'll provide you bullets. Are we clear? Don't rush. Take your time. I know you have what? Mental breakdown. Are we clear? Okay. When you guys graduate, how many years you have left to work? 43 freaking years. What is 1 more year longer for your degree? At least you learn something. Are we clear? Rush and rush and rush. Nothing will be done. Are we clear? Don't say that, oh, my friends are taking 7, I have to take 8. Yeah. Crazy people, you know. Don't rush. Take your time so I can have more time to see you. Are we clear? Right. So now, I want you again to have the confidence if we take the moment at point A. So what am I doing down here? Like I said, you take the moment at point G or you take the moment at point A, the answer will be the what? Be the same. What answer will be the same? Alpha will be equal to what? 312 over 2G. Okay, so we're going to start from here. This is the alternate method. Okay, I'll bring this down. This is the alternate. Method. All right. So now we are going to take moment from point A. Okay. We're going to take moment from point A. So when we take moment from point A, NA is equal to 0, but what we have will be mg cos theta. So minus mg right cos theta, and then we multiply by L/2. Any other forces to look at? None. Okay, then we look at the kinetic. Kinetic, we have MAGT multiplied by L/2. Sorry, I forget about the minus. And then minus Ig alpha. Why minus? Because I assume positive to going in a what? Clockwise direction. Okay. So when we further write this out, so minus mg cos theta L/2. The pen not listening to me. And this is equal to minus m AGT is equal to alpha multiplied by L/2. This whole thing multiplied by L/2 minus by Ig alpha is equal to 1/12 m L squared alpha. Okay, so this is the Ig. This term over here is our Ig. Okay, we did use this before. This is this. Okay, same thing. So when we tidy things up, we can get rid of the mass. We can get rid of the L's. One of the L. So you can get rid of the minus. So you will have G cos theta over 2. And this will be equal to alpha L over 4 plus by alpha L over 12. So a quarter plus 1/12 is equal to G cos theta over 2. And this is equal to alpha L over 3. And finally, alpha is equal to 3G cos theta over 2L. The same. We clear? So yeah, don't there's I tried to find any logic to take moment anywhere. Okay, that's not matter at all. There's no logic as long as you resolve the forces properly. The answer will be and shall be the what? Shall be the same. Are we clear? Okay. It's very important why before you go into your exam, you need to have that confidence and comfort level. The only way to get that confidence and comfort level is do what? Do your homework. Are we clear? The homework question, like a lot of times, you don't know where to take moments, but be brave. Okay? Be brave. So now we know alpha. Coming back to here, right? We know what? We know our alpha. Okay. So if we know our alpha, we can find our NA. Yes or no? If we know our alpha, I think we can find our NA. Is it NA or yeah, it's NA mg cos theta. Yeah. So you see, so from equation number 1, okay, from equation number 1. Now I'm going to start from a new week now. Okay, so now I'm going to carry. So this is week. Sorry, not very prepared today. Tomorrow, Friday, 2 hours of lectures. Oh, not, okay, 2 hours of working out examples. Okay, don't say 2 hours of lecture. Okay. So we know from equation number 1, is it number 1 or number 2? Can't remember now. From equation number, yeah, from equation number 1, we have this relationship. So I'm going to copy and I'm going to put it over here. Okay, so from equation number 1, we have a relationship where we have minus NA plus by mg cos theta is equal to m alpha L over 2, right? So we know that alpha, we just found alpha is equal to what? 3 over 2L g cos theta, okay? And we are going to substitute into equation 1. So this will look like this. So minus, oh shoot, sorry, I did. Hi, Rachel. Okay. So we have minus NA plus by mg cos theta over here. And this will be m, and I'll put the L over 2 on the outside, and I'm going to incorporate the whole alpha. So alpha is equal to 3 over 2L g cos theta. So I realized that we can get rid of our what? We can get rid of our L, right? So this will become minus NA plus by mg cos theta is equal to 3 mg cos theta over 4. Okay. So over here, when you add them together, so my NA, am I doing this right? M over 2L. Yep. So you got 3 over 4 plus 1. So you got 7 over 4. Wait, let me check. Did I miswrite something? Hold on. Say it again. Oh, I see what you mean. So I will have NA over here. So this is mg cos theta minus by 3 over 4 mg cos theta. Okay. So this will be equal to mg cos theta over 4. Okay. So this is our NA in the normal direction. Okay. So we still don't know our FF. Okay. We need to determine our FF. Okay. So FF, friction force at point A, we have the expression over here, okay, from equation, if I'm not wrong, it was from equation number 2, right? So this expression over here, right? So from equation number 2, we know that FF minus mg sine